Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. And in this video, I'll guide you through how to change keyboard settings on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to customize your typing experience properly. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.